Hey, everybody, it's PE time. Bow, bow, meow, meow, meow. With Coach Johnson's brother. Yeah, and today we know that PE stands for Peaceful Enlightenment. And I'm going to enlighten you on how peaceful life can be if you exercise every day. Exercise helps you sleep better. It helps you digest your food better. It gets toxins out of your body because you sweat so much. But some people don't believe me. But really, you can have a nice peaceful rest. In fact, check this out. Oh, my brother, he snores and he says, "Mom," when he sleeps. That's so funny. I wish I could have got him filming. I wish I could have filmed him saying, "Mom," like he does. It's so funny. Anyway, now you know what PE stands for. Peaceful Enlightenment. I just enlightened you on how you can get a peaceful night's rest if you exercise. Hey, listen to my brother. He's a smart guy. He's the best PE teacher around. And man, whoo, his pies are so good. Have a good one.